Hi there, welcome back to the channel. This channel is devoted to helping you get the most out of driving a Skoda EV. In my case it's an Enyaq, but pretty much the same things all apply to Elroqs. It's just got a smaller boot in that car. So I've been driving EVs now for 7 years, so I'm kind of very familiar with how they work and how to get the best out of them. But I do remember having lots of anxieties, lots of questions when I was new. So this is a plea to you. If you're new or you are yet to take the plunge and you've got questions you would like answered, let me know in the comments below, and I will then try and do a video, maybe 2 or 3 videos, and answer all the questions to the best of my ability based on my 7 years of experience of driving Teslas, Renaults, Nissans and Skodas. Anyway, thanks very much, and I look forward to your questions. See you soon. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. This channel is devoted to Skoda EVs, Enyaqs and Elroqs. I drive an Elroq. No I don't, I wish.